Hello, this is a video about the hiccups. Very, very functional when you're a baby and very annoying when you're an adult and you don't know how to get over it. Now, you can use a breathing technique to get over the hiccups, and I will share you in less than a minute. First, what happens when you have the hiccups? Your diaphragm, this big parachute-like muscle over here, has a spasm. Yeah, so it goes up, up, and you cannot control it. Now, if you take a deep breath in and you hold your breath and you breathe out long, this gets you over the hiccups. Or it works for many people, no guarantee. And so basically take a deep breath in, hold as long as you can. If you have the hiccups and you get a hiccup while holding, it's time to breathe out, but say minimum of 2 seconds. So breathe in, minimum of 2 seconds, breathe out long and slow. And then you keep on doing that and you keep on extending that breath hold. It's really simple. So let's do like 3-4 rounds. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Breathe out longer. Let's take a deep breath in and hold a little bit longer. Breathe out longer. One more round, deep breath in, hold a little bit longer. As long as you can if you do this by yourself. Now you can hold longer probably, but this is enough for now, just to show you. Breathe out long and slow. Please use this. Let me know if it works for you by leaving a comment. Very welcome. I will always reply if you have a question, and subscribe to this channel if you like this content, because there's simply no reason not to. See you in the next video. Bye bye.